On this episode of Moving Up, we take you through a $1.7 million property here in Watermark. Many people have thought about making that dream home come true, and maybe this one could be the one for you. Welcome to another episode of Moving Up, where we tour you through some of Calgary's greatest listings that are just waiting for you to move up into. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any other content coming your way. You may have a dream of living in a luxury estate home like this, or maybe you just love looking at, luxury houses. Either way, you are going to love today's tour. But before I let you fall in love with this house, you got to just fall in love with Watermark. So let's go check out the community first. With over 45 acres here and 16 ponds, you are going to love the community of Watermark. There are so many playgrounds you can take your kids to, and you are able to enjoy so many activities. Meet here at the Central Plaza with your neighbors, friends, really anyone you want to invite, because you've got community barbecues, fire pits, park benches, and playgrounds. So you see what I mean? There is a lot to love here at Watermark. Welcome to what could be your new front entrance. What really gets me here are the massive windows that you have that are all south-facing, which bring in a ton of light, and just the space. It is incredible. The space of this kitchen is so custom and so unique that you are gonna love it. It is massive. The island that spreads out over here, the custom details from the countertop to the lighting, you're gonna fall in love with this chef's dream. So guys, come check this out. These are the details that are gonna make you happy. This Wolf gas range right here is gorgeous. From the lighting on the handles to just the way that it feels with this space, unbelievable. As beautiful as this kitchen is and functional, the layout, everything is great, but you're gonna really enjoy the secrets that I have for you. You think this is a regular pantry? Check this out. So you may not have seen this house in person yet, but I know you're gonna love the kitchen, the secret den, all that good stuff. But if you love hosting, you are gonna fully enjoy how open this space is. This dining area that separates the two living areas and the kitchen, we have 20-foot ceilings here. And what I love that what these sellers have done, they've brought down the ceiling with these beautiful pendants that just set the tone in this space. The best part about this living space is that it's indoor and outdoor. You have multiple doors where you can open up the space and you can head on outside and take the party out here. This outdoor space is twofold. You have a covered and an uncovered section. And the best part is when you bring the family out here and you're enjoying your party, this can be enjoyed year-round. So as you come back inside through the double sliding doors, this is what awaits you. 20-foot ceilings that are just soaring above you, and honestly, walls of window. This is 20 feet of windows that all have east-facing and south-facing, so you're gonna get sun in here all day long. The first thing you see when you come upstairs is this bonus room where it's overlooking the living room and has south-facing windows with mountain views. And as you continue through, you're gonna find a couple bedrooms, and let's go check out this master bedroom. Up here in the master bedroom, you have 10-foot ceilings, east-facing windows, built-in speakers, and the ensuite is to die for. You gotta come check this out. The ensuite features custom tiles, a beautiful soaker tub, and this shower is massive. But the best part of all is not the shower, and it's not the toilet. Come in here and check this out. This dressing room is to die for. The windows, the customization, even the roofline in here is simply incredible. So what's unique about this property is the way that it was built. This home actually has bigger footings under the garage, which elevated the home among all of the other properties here on this street. And because of that, it gives you incredible views from the west and south facing windows. Originally designed as a 3-car garage, this has been transformed into a 5-car enthusiast dream. The owners here have put in over $50,000 and it shows. From all of the cabinets above to the 2 car lifts. If you love your toys, you're gonna love this garage. Welcome to the lower level of this property. Now, I don't know about you, but this is where I would want to spend time with the family. Friday nights, watching a show, hanging out, and those early morning workouts, you don't have to leave the house. Everything is right here for you in your own personal gym. So did you fall in love with this custom built home here in Watermark? If so, let us know and we'll help you get into this property. And maybe you have a home too that you were thinking that you would like to showcase here on another Moving Up episode. Just reach out and we'll help you out. Thank you so much for watching this video. We would love it. The best way to support us is if you subscribe right over here. This here are some other property tours, and up here, this is just a video we know you're gonna love.